today I'm gonna show you how you can make ice cream at home without a machine and no eggs at all. Okay, so we're going to be using two ingredients mainly, that is whipping cream, regular whipping cream, and condensed milk. This is homemade, but you can always buy condensed milk from any stores near you. That's all that we're going to be using, but I'm going to be adding in a kiwi, like a fruit, just to confuse my system that I'm trying to eat healthy because life is hard. Hello there, my name is Rita and I'm the Cooking Nurse, and I want to welcome each and every one of you to the channel. I have received a lot of followers over the past few days, and I'm so excited for you guys to have met my videos and chosen to stay here. I really appreciate. I do not take that for granted. Thank you so much. You're making my dream come true. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe as I measure the whipping cream and teach you how to make simple ice cream at home. Please subscribe, my returning subscribers. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate. So we're going to be measuring 2 cups of whipping cream, regular whipping cream, not cooking cream. Okay, not cooking cream. I buy this from regular supermarkets, regular markets like Nakasero, where I go. I buy these things from there, and it's easy to find. So you're going to be using an electric stand mixer to mix this, but you can do it with hand. It's going to be hard. It's going to take you a while, but it's doable. You can use hand. Not everyone has a hand mixer or an electric gadget, so you can use a whisk or whatever you have to whisk anything. You can sit down and spend your entire lifetime trying to whip this into some firm thick paste, but it is doable. Nothing should ever come between you and happiness. Okay, this is the consistency we are looking for. Okay, stiff peaks, thick, from that liquid to this particular consistency. And now we're going to be adding in our condensed milk. Condensed milk is so easy to make at home. Just get sugar and milk and then boil them until they have reduced into this thick and very creamy and tasty mixture. Okay, it almost tastes like toffee. Now this already has flavor in itself, like it has flavor. It's really aromatic, but you can go ahead and flavor your ice cream with whatever flavor you prefer. You can do pineapple, you can do vanilla, you can do strawberry, and then add in some whole fruits and anything really. You can play around with this base and create something for you, your little ones, or the whole family. It's easy to make, and no, it's not gelato. They are almost the same recipe, just that gelato uses more milk, and okay, there is more to the whole mixture, but this particular one serves the purpose. It's creamy, it's tasty, it's rich, and it's so easy to make at home. No need for an ice cream machine, as you're going to be seeing. So we're going to make sure to mix everything by scooping and making sure all the corners of the bowl are mixed together. We don't want to have like a mix and match kind of change situation going on. At the other side got icy sugar. This one did not get sugar. No, please scoop around and make sure everything is mixed up together. So whip it again, and then I'm going to be adding in our mashed kiwi fruit. I peeled this one and then mashed it kinda with a fork, and yeah, I'm just going to add it in there because it's been on the shelf for a long time. So it's better now we just make like kiwi ice cream, like we're innovative now. But also to confuse the system that now we are actually eating healthy. Yeah, transfer this into a freezer safe container, and then we're going to be putting it into the freezer overnight, but you can freeze yours for about 8 hours and you're good to go. Yeah, or for as long as you can. I also think the other thing I realized, this is very good to eat there and then, or if you keep it for a long time in the freezer, it may just separate, so you may need to eat it there and then, and like do it overnight, then serve it tomorrow, and if possible just maybe the next day, but don't keep it for a long time in the freezer. It's gonna separate, it's gonna loosen up. And there you are. You have your quick fix ice cream at home with no machine and no eggs and no hassle. You're welcome. Have a lovely day, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't. I'll be seeing you soon in my next videos, but meanwhile be watching the old ones. Okay, bye.